Top 5 The best cracked heel treatments that actually work. If you spend all day standing or sometimes wear ill-fitting shoes, your feet may lose their natural moisture and develop calluses, resulting in cracked heels. You can ease this common condition with something from our list of treatments, which includes remedies that soothe, exfoliate or shave away dead skin, all while relieving discomfort and letting you go barefoot with confidence. O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet Foot Cream.
Want a relaxing pedicure?
Relaxing pedicure? My feet get so dry and cracked, I need serious relief. That's why I use O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet. Guaranteed relief for extremely dry, cracked feet. Thanks to O'Keeffe's, I got my feet back.
Carousel Intensive Foot Repair.
Your heel was cracked and dry, now it's smooth.
Yours too.
I just started using Carousel Intensive Foot Repair.
Me too.
Carousel exfoliates and repairs with visible results in just one day.
Carousel made it so soft. Let's go barefoot.
Carousel, see the one-day difference.
Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream.
Your skin is your protector against the harmful stressors of the outside world. When it gets dry, it can look patchy, scaly, and rough. Lucky for you, we've packed tons of moisturizers inside Gold Bond Lotion. This powerhouse daily lotion delivers complete hydration, providing your skin with 7 intensive moisturizers. First, its humectant moisturizers like hyaluronic acid and glycerin attract moisture. Next, occlusive moisturizers like shea butter and grapeseed oil seal that moisture in. Finally, emollient moisturizers like ceramides and aloe vera help restore your dry skin. All that plus 3 nourishing vitamins. That's right, 7 moisturizers and 3 vitamins in one lotion for complete hydration. Gold Bond, championing your skin.
Dr. Scholl's Severe Cracked Heel Repair Restoring Balm. Facial Cleansing Brush by Olay Regenerist. Visit our site reviewparks.com link in the description box. Like, comment,